Hi, my name is Moddy and I'm a ventriloquist.
How are you doing today?
I'm a little worn out from this morning.
I know, we had a frantic morning, didn't we?
Like that?
Just like that. Thank you, Chester.
I've been a puppet builder and puppeteer since 2015, but it wasn't until 2018 that Geoff contacted me and offered to teach me how to do ventriloquism.
So funny. Just eat me already.
Through a series of text messages mostly, a couple of phone calls, and a lot of practice, I've been able to progress. Geoff has more than 10 years of experience, and in that time, he's coached over a dozen ventriloquists. Geoff gives me practice exercises, and after a lot of practice, I'll send him a video.
The big boy now plays basketball.
He'll critique it and give me some other tips and techniques that might help me out. And little by little, I've been able to make some progress.
Daddy's daughter got some butter, but
She said,
this butter's bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better.
you'll even learn some tricks on how to come up with your character's voice.
Raw, a little gruff, a little more gruff. That's a little. How about just a slight accent?
Maybe by using the actual puppet itself as a reference.
What do you mean by that?
Well, you know, just taking a look at you and studying you, I can see that your tongue's a little loose.
What? What's wrong with my tongue?
Nothing, it's just part of your charm.
Oh, thank you. It's a great way to make new friends and travel the world. For example, Geoff was actually the one who paid for my trip to come visit Moddy.
That's right, Geoff, let me borrow you for a little while.
What do you mean borrow? I thought I was visiting.
Make your puppet come alive with this new skill, which is actually thousands of years old.
Have fun venting with Geoff!
Bye!